yes, hello to you and you and you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Tessye. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So today's video is about how I do my hot oil treatment, and I'm coming to with a freeze and dried up hair. Don't worry, we'll fix that in a minute, and that's why we are here. Okay? The hair needs moisture and all the good stuff. So the oil I'm using for this is a natural herbal infused hair growth oil. Okay, it has a lot of good stuff in here, a lot of good oils and herbal. It has a fenugreek, lavender and hibiscus with a lot of good oils and lightweight oil. So I made it myself and I still have it for sales in case you are interested in purchasing. I have the 100 ml. Is a natural herbal infused hair growth oil. It's a multi-purpose oil. You can use it for the hot oil treatment, you can use it for sealing, you can use it to moisturize your scalp, you can use it. It's all about hair. Okay, so please follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle and where you can get this. I will leave my personal Instagram handle and then my upcoming business Instagram handle, so you can follow me and patronize me. Okay, so without further ado, let's put this oil to work. So first I'll take my hair. Nothing. I still have a little cold, just about. Nothing to write home about. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking. Okay, and then now I will slightly detangle with it as well, because like I said, it's a hot oil treatment. It's like a form of deep conditioning with the oil, but the oil is not replacing my deep conditioning. Doing this hot oil treatment is to give my hair life, shine, because my hair is looking kind of dull, dry and all that. I tend to do this deep oil treatment like once in a month, although I'm not consistent with it. Okay, so hair clip. Okay, I have to pat my hair like I'm doing a regular deep conditioning. But the hot oil treatment does not replace you deep conditioning your hair weekly, okay? But it's necessary you do a little bit of hot oil treatment here and there, okay? It's beneficial and it helps, okay? You know, this section is too large, so I have to. My hair is you can see my hair is tangled. Oh my god, you can see all the tangle here. I don't normally heat my oil up when I'm doing my hot oil treatment. It's after applying it to my hair. That's when I apply heat to my hair. Okay, that's just my preference. Okay, so some people prefer heating the oil up before applying it to their hair, while me prefer applying the oil to my hair, then I can apply heat to my hair when the oil is already in my hair, so that the heat can help the oil penetrate more to my hair. I think when you heat up the oil before applying it to your hair, after detangling with it, the heat will not be much to make it penetrate to your hair. So I prefer applying it to my hair before applying the heat, so that the heat can help with the penetration of the oil. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, okay, but I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So I do it like this, and I work my way. The ends are very, very important. You can see how dry. I need a trim to get to that. I can't just comb through it like that, so I have to like do a little bit of work, try to separate with my fingers before combing through, because I don't want to rip my hair out, just to break up the tangle. So I do it like this. I have to add more oil. Still not use the comb yet. because combing on your dry hair can be so damaging. So that's why I'm taking my time. This takes a lot of time and patience. But that's what we got to do to keep up with this natural hair. I can try to comb through it now because I've done a lot with my fingers already. So you can see. So I'm through with this section. I'm through with this part now. So I have to twist it up to avoid tangling again, because you know natural hair tangles just as fast as you detangle it. Okay, my hair tangle just as fast as I detangle it. So this is from keeping it from tangles again. So I'm done with this. So I'll repeat the step, okay? The way I detangle this one, I'll repeat the same step with the rest of my hair. The step was tedious, but I'm done. Now I have to apply to the roof. My grocery bag, okay? Let me show you the hair I lost in this process. I lost a lot of this hair because my hair was dry as hell. So, and my ends are due for a trim. So that's why I lost a lot of this hair, if not. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to use my hand dryer to apply heat so that the oil can penetrate the hair very well. That's why we call it hot oil treatment. My hand dryer, I don't need this nozzle. Now I'm done applying the heat. I will let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, then I will rinse it off and I will show you how my hair is looking. Done washing my hair. This is how my hair is looking. There's no product in my hair. This is just my natural coils. So you can see the coils are now popping. After the hot oil treatment, I washed my hair with this conditioner. Okay, it's still dripping. So from here now, you can style your hair you wish, twist out, braid out, wash and go, and all that. Okay, so I don't know out of the two, maybe I will do a braid out or a twist out. And this is the end result. So if you watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you've done a hot oil treatment in your hair in general. Okay, let me know your experience in the comment section. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.